Welcome to this interactive new video in the Constellation and Asterisms series. Previously, we discussed about what constellations are and learned about constellations Andromeda, the chain lady, Antlia, the air pump, Apus, the bird of paradise, Aquarius, the water carrier, Aquila, the eagle, and Ara, the altar. In this next episode of the series, we are here to discuss about the constellation Aries the Ram. Throughout this video, we'll explore the history, mythology, and science behind this fascinating constellation. Before moving ahead, it seems that 97% of you have not subscribed yet to this channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button followed by pressing the bell icon next to it. We regularly post some interesting stuff about astronomy here. Surely you do not want to miss out. You may also find us on social media platforms, links to which are mentioned in the description. Make sure to check out. That being said, let's jump right into the video. Constellation Aries the Ram. The Aries constellation is one of the 12 constellations of the zodiac. It is located in the northern hemisphere and can be seen in the autumn and winter months. Aries is represented by a ram and was one of the 48 constellations described by the 2nd century astronomer Ptolemy. Now Aries remains one of the modern 88 constellations as described by International Astronomical Union or IAU. The Aries constellation has a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations. The Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks all recognized the constellation and associated it with their respective cultures and deities. In fact, the Greeks believed that the ram was the same animal that carried the golden fleece in the story of Jason and the Argonauts. In traditional Chinese astronomy, the stars from Aries constellation were used in several constellations. In a similar system to the Chinese, the first lunar mansion in Hindu astronomy was called Ashwini. The Aries is the 39th largest constellation, occupying the area of 441 square degrees of the sky. The neighboring constellations are Cetus, Perseus, Pisces, Taurus, and Triangulum. It is one of the 12 zodiacal constellations. The zodiacal constellations lie along the plane of the ecliptic or the apparent circular path of the sun across the sky as seen from the earth. In simple words, the sun passes through these 12 constellations throughout the year. The Aries constellation is one of the most important constellations in astronomy. It contains several notable celestial objects including the Aries galaxy cluster, which is a collection of over 400 galaxies located over 3 billion light years away from the Earth. We are going to talk about some of the most important notable stars, deep sky objects, meteor showers, and planetary systems of this constellation. Aries has 3 prominent stars forming an asterism designated Alpha, Beta, and Gamma Arietes by John Bayer. Alpha or Hummel and Beta or Sheraton are commonly used for navigation. Hummel, designated as Alpha Arietes, is the brightest star in the constellation. With an apparent visual magnitude of 2, it is the mean 50th brightest star in the night sky. Hummel is a giant star about 65.8 light years or 20.2 parsecs from the Earth. Beta Arietes, officially named as Sheraton, is a star system and the second brightest star in the constellation, marking the ram's second horn. With an apparent visual magnitude of 2.66, it is located at a distance of 59.6 light years or 18.3 parsecs from the Earth. 41 Arietes is a triple star system in the northern constellation of Aries. With an apparent visual magnitude of 3.63, this system is readily visible to the naked eye. It has an annual parallax shift of 19.69 milliarcsecond, which indicates it is at a distance of 166 light years or 51 parsecs from the Sun. Aries constellation is also the host of several deep sky objects that can be observed in the night sky. The NGC 772 is a spiral galaxy with an integrated magnitude of 10.3. It is a relatively bright galaxy and shows obvious nebulosity and ellipticity in an amateur telescope. Its companion galaxy NGC 770 is about 113,000 light years away from the larger galaxy. NGC 1156 is a dwarf irregular galaxy with an apparent magnitude of 12.3. The galaxy is classified as a Magellanic type irregular galaxy. The galaxy's core is larger than average and there are regions of contra-rotating gas inside it, believed to be the result of an interaction with another galaxy. NGC 972 is a spiral galaxy located in the northern corner of the Aries constellation. It has an apparent magnitude of 12.1. Aries contains several stars with extrasolar planets. HIP 14810 is a G5 type star, is orbited by 3 giant planets and those are more than 10 times the mass of the Earth. HT 12661 is a G-type main sequence star slightly larger than the Sun with 2 planets orbiting. One planet is 2.3 times of the mass of the Jupiter and the other one is 1.57 times the mass of the Jupiter. HD 20367 is a G0 type star approximately the size of the Sun with one orbiting planet. The planet discovered in 2002 has a mass of 1.07 times that of the Jupiter and orbits every 500 days. Aries is also the home to several meteor showers. The daytime aerated meteor shower is one of the strongest meteor showers that occurs during the day, lasting from 22nd May to 2nd July. It is an annual shower associated with the Marsden group of comets that peaks on 7th of June with a maximum zenithal hourly rate of 54 meteors. Its parent body may be the asteroid Icarus. The delta Arietids are another meteor shower radiating from the Aries. Peaking on 9th December with low peak rate, the shower lasts from 8th December to 14th January with the highest rates visible from 8th to 14th December. The autumn Arietids also radiate from Aries. The shower lasts from 7th September to 27th October and peaks on 9th of October. Its peak is also very low. Finally, let's take a look at how the Aries constellation appears in the night sky. If you live in the northern hemisphere, you can spot Aries in the autumn and winter months. Look for the brightest star Hamal, which marks the head of the ram, and the fainter stars Sheratan, Mesarthim and Botane, which form the body and legs of the animal. To help you locate the Aries constellation, we have included links of some useful stargazing apps in the description below. You can use them to easily find the constellation and other celestial bodies to explore the night sky for yourself. We hope you have enjoyed this interactive video on the Aries constellation. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.